Form Affinity,
where design takes form.
Hi guys, welcome to Maya Config add-on for Blender. In this installation instruction video, we will cover 5 steps on how to get Maya Config working with your Blender alpha build. The first step, which we'll do, is download Blender build. Then we'll create a folder on our desktop, copy over Python scripts and copy over config folder. And then lastly, we will import the fahotkeys.python script. Okay, so step 1 will be from the builder.blender.org in the download section. We want to grab whatever build we're on. So right now, at the date of this video, we are on Blender 2.82 alpha. This config works with Windows and Linux. It's currently not supported on Mac. Some users have been able to get to work with Mac, but currently not supported there. Just to note, guys, this video is for installing with Blender builds, so whether it be alpha, etc. It's not for the full version of Blender found here. There's a separate video for that, which is in my YouTube channel, and I will leave a link for that in the description below. When you download your Blender build, you'll get it in a zip folder. So we want to unpack that into a new folder on our desktop. I'm just going to call this 2_82 alpha. You can name it however you like. And then we'll just open up the zip, grab all that, copy it, and paste it over. Okay, now we can close the zip file. Now with our alpha folder open, we can open up the myconfig folder. Okay, here's the contents of that. So what we want to do is copy over some Python scripts. So let's navigate within the build, go into 2.82, scripts, startup. Now I'm just going to grab all these Python scripts, delete without confirm, fahotkeys, etc., all the Python ones. I'm just going to copy, paste them into here. Okay, and now let's navigate out to 2.82 right here and copy the config folder into here. Okay, and now we can close the myconfig for now. And then navigate out one more level and find the application, Blender, and just go ahead and start that. Chances are, if this is the first time installing it, you'll get this Windows protection on your PC if you're running Windows 10. Just hit more info and run anyway. We trust Blender, there's no problem there. Okay, so with Blender installed, you should have something that looks like this. We've got our display panel on the left, kind of an outliner over here on the left. Everything is kind of laid out like Maya would be. So we want to go into Preferences as our next step is to install that key map. So key map is here. If you hit this drop down, you'll notice there's only 3 here, Blender and the industry compatible. So we want to import our fahotkeys. I'm just going to navigate to the desktop, that same 2.82 alpha folder, 2.82, scripts, startup. So just going back into where we copied and pasted all of those items. And there's the fahotkeys. So we'll just select that, import it. Okay, now you'll see it's been added to those drop downs. Now I can just close out of Blender Preferences. Now a couple checks to make sure it's working. We can hit right mouse button. Yep, so the marking menu is there. If we hit spacebar, we get our quad menu. If we select an object, go into face mode here, I can hit Control E for extrude. So yeah, it's all working. And you should be good to go there with Maya Config add-on for Blender. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help you. And yeah, just make sure you've installed using those 5 steps, and make sure you're running either Windows 10 or Linux operating systems. And once again, thanks so much for checking out the config.